So today we're just meeting with the teachers and the faculty, and we're walking them around Brookwood to just kind of help them envision some of the spaces that we're going to be incorporating into the new Pawnee.
So I think that, architects have such wonderful ideas and they have very specific expertise that teachers don't have, but I think teachers also bring something cool to the table, and that's our experience. So we can offer that wisdom in a way and, what we think would work best as teachers, and getting to speak on behalf of our students as well.
So ownership in the school is so incredibly important, and we will be having vision teams, and then after those processes begin, we'll be engaging the entire school community in a thought exchange. So people that want to give input will still have the opportunity to do that through the thought exchange process.
I'm very excited for Pawnee to get a new building. It's an older building. We've been counting the years until it was our turn to have a new one. I've always felt that the district listened to me, that our school and our community listened to my opinion as a parent and as a community member, and I'm definitely feeling that in this situation.
I think one of the biggest things that stands out to me is the community 100% trusts their teachers and their faculty to give us the feedback that we need to make sure that they can teach in this new building for years to come, and their students will get a really good education.
I've enjoyed working with our community, and it's so interesting to hear because they're spot on with what the staff want. So it's really neat to see that a lot of them have the same ideas and what they're wanting for their students.
And hopefully it will allow for more collaboration. So we have that really strong and quality relationship between all stakeholders involved in Shawnee Mission and Pawnee specifically.
I think it'll just make teachers and students feel more at home in their space. Make our teachers know that they're appreciated and that they're more energized for their classroom and for their day with the students.
I've never had a process such as this, so being able to be included and hearing what our staff and community really want, I have a feeling that we are putting something together that everyone will be really happy with. I really feel the staff and the community feel heard, and they really like to be a part of the design process.